talk about colors
And make some apple snacks.
Right, we're making apple rings.
What's your favorite color apple?
Red. Callie, what's your favorite color apple? Callie likes red apples too.
Elliot likes yellow apples.
Me too.
Really?
Yep, and I like green apples.
Okay, so you like red, yellow, and green apples.
Yep, I do.
I can tell you my favorite color apple. Blue.
Blue? There aren't any blue apples.
Well, I tried. Let's make some apple rings. What's the first thing we do when we cook?
We wash our hands. Now we wash the apples. Now we core them.
Thanks, I'll do this part. You have to be careful when you core an apple. This is sharp.
I see you. Hello out there. Now we slice them. I think you should do this too.
Safety first.
Slice, 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 slice. Super slicing. Now the best part, the toppings, yay!
Here are the soft toppings.
Peanut butter, cream cheese, and hazelnut spread.
And the other toppings?
Peanuts,
Raisins,
chocolate chips,
shredded coconut,
sliced bananas,
crumbled pretzels,
and crumbled cookies. How many toppings are there? Guess.
9.
Let's see if you're right.
Let's do it.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10. I was so close.
Better look next time. Spread the salt toppings on first so the other toppings will stick. You can decorate yours however you want. Let's start decorating. Yay! These look so good.
They do. That was fun.
You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen.